Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinel TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Epson Expression Home XP 5155. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 3-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this gear. This printer is compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows Vista, Windows 10 or later. This printer is using ink cartridges 502 or 502 extra large. With 502 you can print up to 210 pages, okay, for black, and 165 for color. Also 550 for black and 470 for color if you are using ink cartridges 502 extra large. Printing speed 14 prints per minute for black and 7.5 for color. 1200 by 2400 dpi for scan resolution, and 4800 multiplied 1200 dpi. This printer, you need to connect this printer to Epson Smart Panel to be able to use this printer. You can get the Epson Smart Panel app from Apple Store or Google Play Store. Okay, this printer height is 7.187 millimeter. Okay, and which is height, okay, is 7.4 inch or 187 millimeter. Okay, likewise. Okay, the diagonal is 13.7 and width is 14.8. Okay, so we want to check, okay, the width. Okay, which is 375 millimeter. Okay, 375. Okay, or 375 centimeter. Okay, and this is 13.7 centimeter. Okay, centimeter, and this is 38 centimeter. 38 centimeter. What we want to do right now is to show you this printer. If you have any paper jam, okay, if you have any paper jam, you need to open up this, okay, for any paper jam and debris. This is where to check and gently close it, gently remove it. Now what I want to show you is we need to load the paper tray. Okay, this printer, you can load various sizes of paper. We need to load the paper tray and complete alignment head. So this is the paper tray we have here. So you can load various sizes of paper. I have A4 paper, so you can load 4x6 A4 So just need to bring out the paper tray. Okay, the paper tray you can bring it out. You just need to find the pattern to bring the paper tray out. Okay, but you can also load your paper right here. So what you need to do is just gently extend it, press it back to extend it. Okay, now bring decent amount of paper. So what we have here is A4 paper. Need to go in. Okay, so this A4, you can also add a bit more. Okay, but don't overload it. So this is A4 paper we have here right now. You need to also make sure that everything is lined up. So this A4 paper, okay, go in. Okay, so it's inside. Now close it. Now go inside. Okay, it's in. Now what we need to do right now is to complete alignment head. Okay, this printer, you need to complete the alignment so that it will function properly. Okay, and what we need to do right now, okay, so we need to, you can see initialization. So when you install the ink, you need to complete 5-minute initialization, which takes about 5 minutes, and once it's done, then you need to move on to print quality adjustment. Okay, so what we need to do right now, we need to press OK to start printing out the quality adjustment. Select OK. Now align the printer to get the best print quality. You can align it later or adjust it. Okay, adjust later if you want to do it next time, then you move it this way to adjust it later, but you want to do it right now, so we need to click OK. Okay, perform a print head nozzle check to print quality. Okay, can do this print later by moving it to this end, but we want to do it right now. Like I said, go back and press OK. Okay, load A4 size paper in the Cascade, which we have done, to nozzle check pattern. Okay, click print. Here we go. So right now it starts printing. Okay, nozzle, which the print head is what we're doing right now. Okay, once it's done, we need to check it. Here we go. Okay, so here it is. You can see. So you need to check the pattern, which one is okay. Right now asking us check the printed pattern and select the closer result. Okay, so we need to look. So you need to look, check the result, printed result pattern, and select the closer result. So what we have here right now, so we need to check which one. Okay, look closer. Okay, and you can see the other one, there's an arrow, so I will select the right one. Okay, select OK. Okay, print. Align print position to fix misalignment and banding, or you can also go, if you want to go back, then you use the back arrow to go back. Okay, okay, so you can see if you cancel this, so you can use the arrow to select. Okay, so you can use the particular arrow to select the one. Okay, check the printed pattern and select the closer result. So if you look at it right now, you can see this one has, the left one got broken line and the right one has not got any broken line. So we need to select on it, select OK. Okay, and adjust align print position to fix misalign and band wording. Okay, click print, adjust right now. Okay, print OK. So right now, here we go. Okay. Here we go. You can see, if you look close, you will see. Okay, so this is what is printed out right now. So we need to check this, okay, one after the other. Okay, so right now, we proceed. So if you look number one, okay, select the pattern that show no gap or dark. Okay, so we select the pattern. So what we have here right now is number one. So what you need to do, you just need to gently check. Okay, so what we have here right now, look for number one. Okay, the one that has not. Okay, select the pattern that show no gap. So what we're doing right now is checking the one that has no gap. Okay, so I will say probably say number. So the one that has no gap is what we are looking. Okay, so I select 3. Okay, so they proceed to number 2. So you can use plus or minus. Okay, use plus and minus to check, select the number. So we're right now at number 2. So you need to select number 4. If it's number 4, then use or minus. You select minus to select the particular number. So when you look at number 1, then you select the number. You selected number 3. Then number 2, then you need to check. Okay, so check the number. If it's 3, then you select, use the plus arrow to select the number. So if it's minus, then you use the minus arrow to select the number. So right now we are number 2. So we need to select the one that is really, okay, select the pattern that show no gap. Is what we are doing right now. Okay, so we go to number 5. 5 is what we selected. Okay, right now load A4 paper and load A4 paper in the Cascade to print alignment pattern. Click OK. So right now, here we go. Can see? Here we go. Can see? Still printing. Beautiful. Okay. So right now we need to choose the square with no fewest streak on number 1. So look at number 1. Okay. Choose a square with no. Choose the square with the fewest streak. Okay, fewest streak. Okay, so for number 1 you select. So I'm going to go to number 1. So use. So you can select. So we select number 1 for now. Okay, number 1 is the one with fewest streak. Select OK. Then it proceeds to number 2. Choose the square with fewest streak. Okay. So with this, I'm going to select number 4. Okay. So use arrow to go back. Okay. Negative or minus to increase. Select the number 4. Okay. Go to number 3. Choose the square with the fewest streak. Okay. Go into number 1. Select OK. Now we're number 4. Choose the square with fewest streak. I'm going to select number 3 here. 3. Select OK. Now we're number 5. Choose the square with the fewest streaks. Okay, I'm going to select number 1 right here. You can see some of them got streaks inside. Okay, so you can see number 1. Okay, hasn't got, it's full up. Select OK. So right now number 6, choose the square with fewest streak. Okay, number 6, I will select number 1 here as well. Okay, so go to number 1, select OK. Okay, rule alignment. Okay, select OK. There we go. So this here we go. You can see this is the rule alignment. You can see right now. So we need to check. Select the pattern that show no gap or dark. Okay, so we select the pattern, this particular one that show no gap or dark. Okay, so we select number 7, number 1, go to number 7, select OK. Now number 2, I will select number 1 for number 2 here. Okay, okay, so number 2, I will select number 1. Number 1, select OK. Select OK. Beautiful. Right now I can see. Beautiful. Now what we need to do, choose the rectangle that are not separated or overlap. Okay, so you can see some of them are. So you can see, I will say number 4 and number. If you look at it closely, this one is pretty much close together. Okay, and so I will really go with maybe perhaps number 4 or number 3. Okay, so I select number 4. I think there's a gap here on number 4. Select number 4. Okay, okay. Print alignment complete. You can see print head alignment complete. You can adjust again from maintenance. Okay, so right now dismiss, click OK. Here we go. So this printer right now is set up. Okay, so this is how to complete the alignment. Okay, it's a long process, but it's how to do this. Once you're able to do this, it gives you option. You can see the features: copy, print photo, scan. Okay, anything you want to do, you can just need to scroll to the side. Okay, so you can use arrow to select the function. Okay, use the arrow to go to like copy, print photo, scan, and various. I'll go to settings. Okay, so right now this printer is ready, pretty much ready. What we need to do, check out my next video how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.